Click on your own name at the top left of the screen. Then hover your mouse over switch to sandbox option and tap on create sandbox option over here. You are free to name the brand new test account or the sandbox account, then choose to copy everything from your real account or just create a brand new account. I myself do recommend to copy the account so you don't have to start from the scratch. And after that, click on the create sandbox button. It will take a few seconds until a test account is fully generated. You may test everything with this test or sandbox account, like making a fake subscription or test subscription, invoice, or so on. Basically, you can do almost anything in this test account, the same thing as you can do in the real account. For example, to get the API keys for the test mode, you may search right here at the search bar and make the API keys as the keyword. Then choose the developers API keys option. And there you go, you may get the test mode API keys. Just remember, when you use the test mode API keys to connect for anything, later on, you still have to use the API keys on your real account to accept actual payments, because the test mode or test account and the real account are basically a different account. And to go back to your real account from the test mode, again, click on your own name at the top left of the screen, then hit the exit sandbox button over here. If you still have any questions, just comment down below and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.